Shabbat actually entered. So what you do is you ship your speakers out to Just Speakers, and they'd have a contest, and they'd, you know, like Ken Kantner and Vance Dickinson would judge them, and someone, I don't know what the prize was, but someone would be the lucky winner. And I always thought, you know, that'd be kind of cool to do on our side of the country, but I could never really get it together. I tried doing it with our local AES, and you know, we kind of worked a couple people. One guy always won, and just even with the amount of audio files and guys out in the Detroit area, it just never worked. So, but all of a sudden the internet happened, and people started, you know, talking, and soon, you know, even though you're on the internet, you still need that human connection. And you know, Sean and Ben kind of put together everything. Back in
2007 was the first one.
Was the first one, yeah. And between the internet and the get-togethers, you know, just started building to here we are now. But along the way, we've always had maybe a handful of guys that were kind of the real helpers, the teachers, the guys that would, you know, tell us how to listen, tell us how to measure, you know, design crossover stuff, you know, do software and stuff like that. And it turns out there's an academy of speaker building, which I didn't know about, but they authorized me to be the first time, or be the one to give the first Lifetime Achievement Award in speaker building. So this is how it reads. This is from the Academy of, the Academy of Speaker Parts and Sciences, and this is the Lifetime Achievement Award, given an acknowledgement in your achievement to the education of the DIY speaker community. And the first one is for Jeff Bagby.
Yep.
Yeah. Wow. Speech.
He never talked.
Right?
Yeah, who knew? Well, I didn't see this coming.
I didn't either.
Well, thank you very much. I have no speech. I really don't know what to say. You know, I didn't do what I did in a vacuum, though. I learned from people. I think Joe Doppolito was the first person to really teach me some things that I really didn't know. And we hit it off really well, and I learned a lot from him. And guys like Paul Verdone, he taught me enough about software that I was able to create the stuff that I did. I couldn't have made that stuff without Paul. John Kraskowski taught me things I didn't know, and so I learned a lot from him. I mean, you know, so I wasn't always a little genius, you see up here. I mean, but I always wanted to just give it back. You know, that's why my software was always free. That's why I always helped everybody that I could help. It was all about having a good time, and I think it's fabulous the way this community has grown into more of a brotherhood. I think that we all have a blast together. Every year, I see more faces at these, but I still see the same faces too. Guys that just keep coming back, relationships and friendships that have developed, and so it's really been worth it. I've been very, very happy and fulfilled to be a part of all of this. So thank you very much. Pictures. How am I supposed to pose? I don't know.
That's good.
Okay.
Try to look natural.
Why can I achieve that award? I guess I can quit now.
Looks like we got Jason hooked up to run after him, we're gonna run that big RCA thing over here.
Sweet.
Oh, you are?
Yeah,
Oh.
we are going to play, yes.
Hopefully not on the 500 volt amp.
Well, it doesn't have to be all the way up.